you want? How many more reminders you want to hear? How many more times you want to be told you shut your mouth? You know me. Don't you man get it? What don't you understand? How many more times you want to be told you shut your mouth? What do you want? How many more reminders you want to hear? How many more times you want to be told you shut your mouth?
Refutation on slavery. So yesterday I showed approximately 20 ahadith. I can't even remember how many I showed. Approximately, give or take, and maybe 5-6 verses from Quran. And this is what the Islamic scholar has to come back and say about it.
You know me. Don't you man get it? What don't you understand? How many more times you want to be told you shut your mouth? I want to know you believe. Don't talk loud over the statement of the prophet. I'm telling you a hadith, you shut up. This why you man are finished. Listen.
This is Sam Singh. We'll just debunk this one and show the ignorance of the speaker. Ignorance of the speaker in the video and the one who posted it. Okay, so he's using one of the hadiths. Which one? Jabir, Allah be pleased with him, reported, there came a slave and pledged allegiance to Allah's apostle on migration. He, the holy prophet, did not know that he was a slave. Okay, doesn't matter. Does it matter? No. Then there came his master and demanded him back, whereupon Allah Apostle said, what did Allah Apostle said? Now, here is what you need to see very importantly. What did he said? Sell him to me. Okay, that's what Allah Apostle said. Sell him to me. But how did Allah Apostle buy this slave? He bought him for 2 black slaves. What did he pay to buy the slave? He paid the person 2 black slave.
How many more times you want to be told you shut your mouth? You know me. Don't you man get it? What don't you understand? How many more times you want to be told you shut your mouth?
If Muhammad wanted to abolish slavery, what could he have given? He could have given him gold. He could have given him dinar. He could have given him anything else. Camels, sheeps, anything. But what did he pay him? He paid him 2 black slaves. Okay. Now the refutation is, look at the refutation. The hadith has nothing to do with racism or slavery. Basically, a slave embraced Islam and pledged immigration. What? These guys, I think when they are watching my video, they don't even turn the volume on. They just turn off the volume, and then just see what is the hadith. Out of 20 different Sahih hadiths, he had the problem with this one, where Muhammad is actually trading slaves.
You're gonna enter inside your grave. The angels are gonna come at you. The angels don't play jokes. You're gonna get smashed with hammers. Your grave's gonna squeeze you, swallow you. Your bones are gonna override each other. It is the end there. That's gonna carry on happening to the day of judgment. When the day of judgment comes, you're gonna come out. Then you're gonna stand before Allah. Then Allah's gonna destroy you. Then you're gonna go to the hellfire. And you're gonna be finished in there. See what happens. Don't you man get it? What don't you understand?
Subscriber as well, very nice guy. I told him to ask him to come up live. It's been almost 2 hours. He reported to me after 9 minutes. Now it's been almost 2 hours or 2 hours plus. This guy has not responded back to him, and I'm still waiting. I want to see what kind of a rebuttal this guy, this so-called very logical, intelligent, intellectual guy has to come up and say about it.
You know this! Don't you man get it? What don't you understand? How many more times you want to be told you shut your mouth? What do you want? How many more reminders you want to hear? How many more times you want to be told you shut your mouth? You know this! Don't you man get it? What don't you understand? How many more times you want to be told you shut your mouth?